It is a big blow to President William Samoei Arap Ruto and Professor Kithure Kindiki as court declines to lift orders barring Professor Kithure Kindiki from assuming the office of the Deputy President. Allow me to share with you that court order. It is on your screen right now. Republic of Kenya in the High Court of Kenya at Kirinyaga Court named Kerugoya Law Court, case number HCCHRPET/E015-2024, citation Honorable David Munyi Mapenge and Peter Gishobi Kamodho and one others versus Senate and Speaker of Senate and two others orders in bracket court document. This matter coming on 19th October 2024 for directions on the notice of motion dated 18th October 2024 before Honorable Justice E. Ogola, Justice F. Mirima, and Lady Justice Dr. Freda Mugambi. Upon considering the pleadings and supporting affidavit, it is hereby ordered, number one, that in light of the urgency of the matter and the weighty issues raised therein, we direct that the application be served and responded to forthwith for hearing inter partes on Tuesday, 22nd October 2024 at 11 a.m. in an open court at number 18. Given under the hand and seal of the Honorable Court this 19th October 2024, penal notice, take notice that any disobedience or non-observance of the order of the court served herewith will result in penal consequences to you and any other persons disobeying and not observing the same. Signed by Honorable Justice Dr. Githiru Freda Mugambi. Now, there are some mixed reactions from legal minds. For example, we have Professor Makau Mutua who says the courts in Kenya are manufacturing a dangerous existential constitutional crisis by putting the interest of the impeached former DP Gachagua over those of the Republic of Kenya and its people. Lift the silly conservatory order so that Kindiki can be sworn in as DP. Another legal mind who shared his thought is Peter Opondo Kaluma saying, proceeding on 22nd or earlier sounds sensible considering the urgency of the matter. The interest of the former DP can't be put above the overriding public interest to national stability, safety, and security. I hope the courts will not only clear the mess in governance created by conservatory orders, but also uphold needed committee between the three arms of government and put a stop to undue judicial overreach in matters falling within the constitutional remit and mandate of Parliament and the executive. In case this is your first time, take a second, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, this order just comes hours after Professor Kithure Kindiki failed to be sworn in today. Remember, there were some court orders that were given yesterday by Justice Chacha Mwita, giving a conservatory order stopping the implementation of the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. Remember, Rigathi Gachagua fell ill on the day that he was supposed to be cross-examined by the legal counsel represented by Otiende Amodo, Eric Gumbo, and senior counsel that is Governor James Agri Boborengo, who are looking forward to cross-examine the deputy president. Then unfortunately, he fell sick and was rushed to Karen Hospital. But forget about that. Let's come back to the bond of contention. Now, what this conservatory order means, is that the hearing will be between inter-parties and it will take place on 22nd October 2024. The outcome of this court will determine, the outcome of the three-judge bench will determine whether Professor Kithure Kindiki will be sworn in to assume the office of the deputy president. And what surprises many today is that about 108 employees that at the deputy president's office were sent on mandatory leave, and that also raises an eyebrow. Even if Professor Kithure Kindiki does not become the deputy president and Rigathi Gachagua retains his seat as the deputy president, there are two questions that we must ask ourselves. How will they work together with William Samoei Arap Ruto, the president? How will he work together with other cabinet secretaries? Because I recall very well that he also chairs some cabinet committees where he is the chair of that particular committee and also the chair of the IBIC. So how will these things take place? Because even Governor James Agibo Borengo is a governor, and when they are having IBIC meeting, they will not see eye to eye. So the relationship between Rigathi Gachagua and William Samoei Arap Ruto is broken. I think the best thing that he can do, even if he survives this particular impeachment, is just to resign, go home, and relax. Because fighting these people, it is good to fight if you have numbers, but if you don't have numbers, it is difficult to fight them. If you go to parliament, they have got the majority. If you go to Senate, they have got the majority. Even the people that are fighting for him casted their votes in favor of Professor Kithure Kindiki. I'm talking about the Katanga Member of Parliament, Edward Muriu. I'm talking about Mary Wamaua. Those people have shifted their loyalty to Professor Kithure Kindiki. And there are also calls for Professor Kithure Kindiki to meet local leaders from Mount Kenya region because they need a united mountain. It really shows that Rigathi Gachagua's political career is coming to an end. And the president has not come out to speak about all of this issue, but the reality of the ground, these people cannot work together. So that conservatory order that was given on Friday, we shall see, or we shall see the outcome of the outcome of the three-judge bench that will be sitting on Tuesday to deliberate on this particular issue. In case you have any contrary opinion, feel free to share in the comment section. I will be reading your feedback. But I promised at the end of my videos to be carrying out civic education. Remember to register as a voter. Once you register as a voter, you will be in a position to get more opportunities of electing your leaders. Number two, demonetize politics as soon as possible. If you can do that, you will you will reduce chances of electing leaders that are going to misuse public funds, and they will just enrich themselves and leave you suffering in poverty. So demonetize politics as soon as possible. Now remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will meet you in the next video with more updates in the Republic of Kenya. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.